Hello guys, welcome back to your app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to add sticky add to cart Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering here, how do you exactly add a sticky add to cart option here on your Shopify store? So first things first is that we want to go ahead and basically identify a few things. So first things first is you want to make sure that you've set up your store first. So whenever you go to Shopify.com here and first create your store, I would recommend you to first choose your theme, set up your products, set up your payment methods, and your shipping here. So just basically, generally speaking here, just set up your store first before doing this. So in this case, we want to go ahead and add this feature here, because if you want to add like a sticky add to cart button so that people could actually see and really increase the sales for your store, because we all know sometimes people would forget to in this case check out whenever they don't see the cart on their page. So in this case, it increases the possibility of them checking out if you have this sticky on the screen. So in this case, this feature is not yet directly available on Shopify, but the thing with Shopify is whichever apps or features that is not available right now on Shopify, you could add that via the Shopify App Store. So that's the first option that we need to do here. Is we want to go to settings here at the bottom left here, and you want to go and click on the option for apps and sales channel and click on Shopify App Store. Now again, we want to search for the app that we want to use for this one. Let's go and just go to search here and just type in the following is going to be sticky cart. Just press enter. Now obviously there are going to be a lot of apps here that you could choose to add that sticky add cart option on your Shopify store. So in this case, we'll be using one here, which is the uplink key sticky cart. Let's go and choose this one. Now, the great thing about this app here is if you scroll down a bit here, is we could use the app for free. So you can have unlimited visitors, automatic one-click install, mobile and desktop responsive here, basic tracking, base Facebook pixel, and unlimited support. But you also have the professional plan here, which is around $9 per month, which includes all the features that you have in the free plan and a lot more. Real-time tracking, professional design templates here. So yeah, so you could also try the professional plan here for 7 days for free without paying for anything. So if you want to try that, so let's go and click on install here. Now it will ask you to verify the installation here. So you just need to click on the install button to confirm that. But once it's actually confirmed, you should be able to see the homepage here or the main page for sticky add to cart. Now it's going to ask you to select your plan. Now you could go and choose professional plan here or basic plan. So let's go and choose the basic plan here because we want to use that. Let's go and select plan. And from here, it should set up your account. Once you've done that, you now have the option to really customize it. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to go and just start customizing it really in here. Now, the first thing that we need to see here is going to be the options that we get access here on Uplinky Sticky Cart. So on the left side, we have settings, which is what we are viewing right now. Now, in this case, in this page here, you could just basically change a few things or design-wise in your, this case, sticky add to cart button here. So we have the display on. So if you want to display this on mobile phones, desktop, laptops, or tablets here, you also have the display after. So in this case, when this case the visitor scroll past regular add to cart button here. So this is where the sticky or add to cart button will appear on your screen or will stay sticky if you say. So I have the visitor scrolls 10% of the page. So you can just really customize where it's going to appear. We also have animations here, so like bounce, flash, pulse, rubber band, shake. So for example, we want to use bounce here. So you can see you have that bounce. By the way, the right side, this is what our add to cart button is going to look like. We also have the location, either the bottom screen or top screen, as you can see right now. Bottom screen. You also have the option for Google Analytics integration and display on all pages if you want to display on non-pages here as well. So if you want to show it every time. Now we also have the color here, like the font color, background color here. If you really want to customize that, you can go ahead and choose that. But in this case, by default, it's going to be automatically selected here. So if you want to re-customize that, disable that and choose the color for it. Now, at the left side here, now by the way, whenever you're making changes, you want to click on save at the top right here. And once you've done that, you want to go and click on save changes at the bottom right. And in this case, we want to go to your cart animator at the left side here. Now, the cart animator here allows you to add some animations on your cart. So, for example, bounce, flash, wobble, swing. So, there's a lot to choose from. And also the interval here, how many, the interval of the animation. So, if you want to add that. And also have the custom CSS selector here. So, you can override the CSS selector to find or use to find your add to cart button. So, let's go and click on enable at the bottom right here. So, So, next you have the FAQs. So just in case you have encounter any problems within inside the app, like for example, you're wondering how to do this specific thing, how you update or change a specific setting here on Blinky Sticky Cart here. This is where you view those tutorials, or in this case, general knowledge in here. And so there's a lot here. So you can view. You have support as well. So in the support page, just basically open a ticket. So just in case you encounter any bugs, any problems within the app itself. So you could like send a ticket here. You can view the tickets that you submitted before. So they will interact with you. So obviously you need to provide some password. So in this case, this is the password for your store, especially if your store is password protected. You need to provide the store of your password, not your account password. So those are different. So remember that, your store password, not your account password. You need to provide that in here in order for them to view it. But also you have your subject here. So in this case, you may want to explain what is the general issue you're currently encountering, and also the full description. So you just generally want to describe what's currently happening right now. And also you have the upgrade to pro here, just in case you change your mind and really want to use the professional, really get more out of the app. Now, obviously with the basic plan, it's already really powerful here, but if you get a professional plan here, you get more like on analytics here, and also professional design templates and a lot more. So so in this case, if you click on the Blinky Sticky Cart here at the top left here, this is where you should be able to see, or in this case, you also have the option to change, like add a custom CSS into your sticky cart here as well. So if you want to add like CSS, obviously this is quite advanced, especially if you don't know anything about CSS, it's going to be kind of overwhelming. But then again, this is just an option for you, just in case you want to really customize it. We also have the advanced option, like the cart mode here, advanced mode, enable custom HTML, custom CSS selectors, and other advanced options here. So if you want to add those, as you can see, you have custom JavaScript handler and custom HTML code here. So so that's how you set up sticky add to cart in Shopify here. So when you go ahead and visit your store here and visit one of the items, and if you click on add to cart here, you should now have that sticky add to cart. As you can see here now, we have the view cart, check out here. You could also add other items here if you want. But so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to line up. Thank you for watching.